This is where comedy comes to life on
Hey JNL, Wagwan.
Oh, my babes, thing good. They are going there relaxing on me. So yeah, well.
I miss you, you know. I dey home alone. My husband gonna work. You can't come give me a link.
You miss. You see, man gonna work still. You can't come on.
I go bed now, so hurry up and come.
What? So you drink up some Magnum and Sterling and all them stuff you mix up, you know, yeah, man. Yes, you know, lang man, lang like that.
make sure to tell you this blood clot. She not gonna get to come meet you, not time at all. I never murder blood clot. What she ain't tell you, so she never want. Pussy, what she ain't tell you, you still a bada. You can't fuck my blood clot, girl. And pussy, no more links, you know, no more phone, nothing. You know that? More party boy, you my blood clot beat a woman in a pussy, you know. I go and sleep out your blood clot, man, and don't call her bad man. You hear me?
Boy, type of chatting. I mean name JNL. A JNL my name. No violation can go on. Better hear that.
Hey, blood clot, boy. Now you are text. Now you text me, girl.
No, dog. Which girl that have
Chantel, now you text Chantel.
No, I don't know no Chantel, dog.
How are you?
Jeremy, dog.
So now you text her.
No, dog. And me for me, I tell you the truth.
Dog.
Tell us that JNL my name is Jeremy, dog. Jeremy, you know understand?
Jeremy, in here.
Yeah, dog.
You sure?
Dog, I'm sure my you sure like a gold.
No, make sure you.
Jeremy, my name.
Oh. Lucky, you know.
Yo, boy, JNL.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Oh. So you in them JNL. Go on.
Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Another get you mad, cause you want every dime. Catch funny baby. Broke it on. 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 Broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Broke it. Broke it.